Here, show him to me. Show him to me. I want to see him eat. I want to see him eat.
I don't think he's gonna eat it.
Come on, please. Please, bud. I know you want to. Please, you're hungry.
He's like,
I know. I know. Eat. You need to eat up or you're gonna die. Please. Please. Yes! You got it! Yes! He's got it! Yes! 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 Come on! Come on! I'm literally sweating because I'm. This is so intense.
let go. Yo!
Put him on the steps. Put him on the steps. Here. Put him somewhere so I can. I want to watch him eat. Eat up. Eat up, bud. Eat up. Eat up. Here. Did you eat? Did he eat?
No, he's got it on his
Bud, I know. Okay. Here, go get your gun. I got this guy.
Give him the worm, bro.
I'm trying. Bud. Oh.
Where are you going? Good boy.
No.
No, don't fall.
No. I know. You're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt yourself. Eat the baby. Oh, frick. Oh, shoot.
They know how to do it themselves.
Well, he's not eating, so put him back in the container. And he was eating in the container. No, you just caught his wing. Oh, shoot. Go get your gun. What happens if I put the worm in there? What? Why am I still recording?